Welcome to Toys and Toys. Play and learn, where fun and learning come to life.
Welcome, it's time to play. Let's learn some words and have a fun day. With colors so bright and toys all around, let's start the adventure, let's make some sound. Here's a ball, it rolls so fast. Bounce it up, watch it last. A red cup for a little sip. Say cup and give it a flip. Here's a spoon, it's shiny and new. Scoop some fun, it's just for you. Every word we learn today makes us smarter as we play. Look at the puppy wagging its tail. Woof woof, says the dog on the trail. A kitten so soft, it says meow. Let's say it together, nice and loud. A little duck waddles, quack, quack, quack. Flapping its wings, it looks right back. Animals are our best friends. Let's learn their sounds again and again. Mama is here with a big warm smile. Say mama, it feels so worthwhile. Papa is next, standing so tall. Say papa, he's the best of all. Family love is what we share, with hugs and laughter everywhere. Learning their names we start to see how special our family can be. We learned so much, we had such fun. Our adventure is done, but we've just begun. With words and songs and laughter too. We'll come back soon to learn with you. Wave goodbye, see you next time. Learning is fun and it's always prime. With toys and friends and all we do, play and learn is the place for you.